Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is inspired by Megan Gilmore. Check out her Instant Pot cookbook, it's amazing. So I couldn't help but share one of her favorite recipes for me, which is the Thai salmon curry in the Instant Pot. It only takes 2 minutes, which is amazing, and it's a lifesaver for working moms. Or simply if you don't have lots of time to spend in the kitchen making dinner. And as usual, I will leave the ingredients at the description box. So first of all, I start by sprinkling some salt and pepper on the salmon, which I washed already and dried, and then set it aside. This recipe is amazingly delicious, and I can promise you that your kids will absolutely love it. So after I season the salmon, I will put it aside and then chop up the onions and the ginger, the fresh ginger, then dice the bell peppers and saute them in the Instant Pot for like 3 minutes. Just make sure you keep an eye on your Instant Pot while you're sauteing the ingredients so they don't stick and burn. I used olive oil to saute the vegetables, but you can use any vegetable oil, or even better if you're using coconut oil. So I added a little bit of water and scrape to remove any bits that are stuck to the bottom and avoid the burn sign. And now it's time to add the curry powder. At this step you can proceed and turn off the saute option. Make sure you keep stirring constantly so the ingredients don't stick to the bottom of the Instant Pot. Now I will add the juice of half a lime, maple syrup, and then soy sauce. I will add the coconut milk and then stir everything and mix it very well. I will put a trivet at the bottom of the Instant Pot and then lay the salmon pieces on top of it. Make sure the salmon pieces don't lay on top of each other's so they can cook evenly. If you're using salmon with skin on, the skin has to be facing down. Secure the lid and move the steam release valve to seal in. Select pressure cook and cook on high for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, hit cancel and quickly release the steam pressure. After all the pressure is released, I will open the lid and then flake the salmon into the sauce after removing the trivet. Press saute and let the sauce thickens for about 2 minutes. During this step, you can add the fresh basil leaves and make sure you're always mixing so the ingredients don't stick to the bottom of the pan. At this step, the salmon is basically ready. You can serve it with white rice or any kind of rice that you choose. I hope you like this recipe. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave your comments, and don't forget to ring the bell. And until the next video, bye bye!